Hello, Ian with TouratechUSA, and this is a quick introduction and installation video of the rear brake master cylinder guard that we make for the KTM 790 and KTM 890 Adventure and Adventure R. The rear brakes master cylinder on this bike is kind of out in the breeze out here above the foot peg. It has a protector that's plastic stock and it actually works pretty well, but it leaves the fluid fill line exposed at the back right here. And it just doesn't look very fancy. So we're going to replace it on this bike with the Touratech version. This is made out of aluminum. It's laser cut and bent. And it's a pretty quick and easy install, 2 bolts. And you only need one tool to do it. That's a Torx T30 wrench. So let's get to work here. All right, the first step to install this is to remove the factory part. So it's got 2 screws right here. You can use a Torx T30 or an 8mm socket. I'm just going to use a Torx T30 because that's what is used to replace the product with the Touratech part. So just remove these 2 bolts first. And now to install the part, you do it in the exact opposite order. So I like to put some red Loctite on these bolts. This is holding on the rear brake master cylinder, so we want to make sure that doesn't come off. Put the bolts through the Touratech part, take the spacer, 1 for each bolt, and then just screw it back on. Same thing with the second bolt. Take the spacer behind the part, thread the screw in. Now these are both M6 bolts and they've got a bunch of thread locker on them, so we don't need to go very tight with it, just about 5-6 foot-pounds. All right. Installation is done. This is a nice piece. It looks great on the motorcycle and it offers just a little bit more protection, especially back in this area for the brake fluid line. If you'd like to see any more products we make for the KTM Adventure motorcycles, please visit our website, TouratechUSA.com. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.